Hello, and welcome to this weekly recap. Also, I'm a little bit late with it, but it's no problem because this is a January week 4 recap. That means we can see how all these softwares performed on monthly basis. So what is the whole growth of January? So let's start off with IRA. So this is manual trading indicator. And I would say, these two accounts are in our community, completely beginner guys who didn't know anything about Forex trading. And we can check how they actually performed on few of the strategies given with this indicator. So this is a very small account, it's a real one, and he only started with 205 euros because it just is practicing, right? And he likes to practice with real money. Of course, I highly recommend people to start with a demo account, but yeah, because demo account is still connected with the real market. But let's check out how this account is doing. So he started with 205 euros. Beginning of January 5th, and he actually did 86% in January, and now in February he has lost 1.39%. So it's not a huge loss compared to the gains, So let's see how the February goes. It's just beginning of February, so second day of February, so it's no problem. But still, he has done extraordinary. I would say, I don't know if he used the right risk management, but probably 10 to 30% is what you should wait for from Forex markets if you really trade consistently and if you have a good strategy. So everything's possible, but yeah, just to show you what can be also, right? Let's take this next one. So this is also a demo account. This guy is also practicing. So he started with a $1,000 demo account in December. And as you can see, this account has grown $232. And he was actually up way higher, but took some losses as well. So we can see that in January he did 12%, and in February is actually down 8%. But if you check the last year, we can see in December he almost did 19%. But I know this guy is actually using just one of the strategies out of 8 strategies what you can learn and use with IRA. And right now you can actually see maybe this actually affects this, but he's actually in active trades, and it's completely normal that you see some sort of drawdown. That it's not normal that in Forex you enter and your trade is just sniper entry and it's completely in profit in 1 minute. In seconds it usually stays in a little bit drawdown. Most people don't get perfect entries, and that's the thing. It's a waiting game, and then your active trade in minus, if you entered a little bit wrong, will come out if the market goes the right way, and it's completely normal. But all right, let's check the next one. So this is the big account running the gearbox, and as we can still see, he's still in drawdown on these trades in December somewhere when he took them, right? Beginning of December. But still this account profit is done very good profits, almost $20,000, and he's still stuck in drawdown. But what we can see that the software starts to open trades, and then it snipers the last one. If it misses the perfect entry, it will open more and more and more. And as we can see, this last trade is actually running in profit. So let's see, we have high probability that maybe it will come out of this drawdown, but it's completely fine if this company even takes a small loss, because as you can see, last year it's done only profits. So what we can see right now is that in January it took a loss. It took 3% loss, and even if it takes let's say it takes 7,000 loss, that's not a huge amount because this account is almost 120,000, right? So it's it's under 5% loss on this account, and comparing to how much it has gained in the last year, then that's what you can expect running automated trading software. You can take some months small loss, but if in 1 year time your overall growth on your account has been bigger than the losses, then your investment has grown, right? So that's the whole concept. And okay, let's take a next Gearbox one. This is now a smaller one again, and he started with $700, taken out over $750, and right now the balance is $400. So he has made profit almost $500. And what we can see in January did super good, 24%. And what has happened last year, 3, 16, 11, almost 8, right? So I would say very good profit factor also on this account. The longs 80% have won and shorts 76. So I mean, thinking that it's completely automated trading software, then I mean, like, these results are super good, because even professional traders sometimes have a win percentage around 60-75%. So I mean, it's super nice. Let's take the next one. So this account now was started with 614 euros, and it's up to 812 euros. And what we can see in January, it has done almost 4%. Let's see how it did last year. So as we can see, it probably started in end of August, that's why it's 0. So no active trades closed, but all these trades closed in October. That's why he did so much, almost 30%, 9%, 13%, and right now little loss. Probably, you know, these active trades will come out in profit maybe this week, and then it actually gives him more profit, right? And for the last one, let's check the variable account. So this one has ran from June 11th with $1,000, and right now almost to $5,000 up already. We can see a little dip here, but it came out of it, all good. Maybe he ran it way too aggressively back then as well. But we can see in January over 17%, and in February already 1% profit. And yeah, we can see, like, probably in the beginning he ran with way too aggressive settings, 2 times more than right now. So I mean, that's why he saw this drawdown. But very good profits on this variable one as well. So yeah, we have, like, in the softwares we rent from Avoria Prime. So they have like IRO, which is a manual trading indicator. They have a Gearbox, which is completely automated trading software, and a variable as well. And for United States, they have the same software with manual notifications, so you have to confirm yourself if you enter the trade what the software gives you. But overall, if you're from Europe or whatever country than United States, then you can actually use the completely automated ones. But all right, this is it for that weekly recap, and I wish you all the best, and let's see next weekend already. Thanks and bye.